What's the meaning of body slam? Body slam. Body slam.
Body slam. Body slam. Body slam is a wrestling move where one wrestler picks up their opponent and slams them onto the mat or ground. The result of a body slam is often a temporary incapacitation of the person being slammed due to the impact and force of the move. This can also cause injury if not executed properly, and has been banned in some sports due to safety concerns. In addition to its use in wrestling, the term body slam can also be used metaphorically to describe a forceful or impactful action or statement.